Good morning, teacher. In this moment, I am going to talk about making an application related to reading. Google Docs is a simple word process and a spreadsheet that allow the create and edit of documents. These documents are strong to include and allow access to them only with an internet connection. In Google Docs, document can be shared with other users. It is doesn't have any types of cost. At the moment, it does not include advising. Add alone are strong on Google service has unlimited images. Is constantly beginning a update can be easily export and download. For example, this is application. In this moment, I insert images, for example, flowers, flowers, images, and from there we look for information about flowers, then can be shared with other friends. In general, technological provides access to many different ways for a student to read and to write. And there are words processing software, and second is collaborating software. The images show an example of word processing software program Microsoft Word that most people are probably familiar with. This is one, but only one. Of different types of text editor the student use when reading their papers. The introduction of word processing into the world of reading and instruction has been really important due to the ability of a student to reading something on the screen, and they may change by looking at what they have reading or revine what they have reading. For example, I select the questions the person admire. Uh, Malcolm Jordan biography. In the mobile world, reading is considered a product. The focus is on the fiche's text, unlike to reading process byte, where the focus is on the text and the volume process. Reading, proofreading, and edit is an important tools for learning. And finally, this is example involves pasting the exact same text into the word processing interface. For example, I select this paragraph. What you can see here is that Grammarly also identifies several possible errors when I write in the applications. Here it actually provides tips on how to fix the error or how to fix the problem. For example, I reflect some for example, current. To solve in the current part, it reflects has to solution to our heroes. Is related to each hero that is made until we can identify each hero, and the paragraph is while reading.